So you should be able to see on the screen a number grid, and number grids are really helpful for ordering numbers. So you can see we have the number 1 all the way up to the number 50, and all the numbers are going up in order. So there's 2 very important things to remember about our number grid. Our first thing is what's happening when we look along a row. We can see that the number of 10s in every row is always the same. So we have 0 10s on our top row. Our next row, you can see that all the numbers start with a 1, so they all have 1 10. The next row, they all start with a 2, so they have 2 10s. This row, they all have 3 10s. And our bottom row will start with a 4 and have 4 10s. So when we're trying to figure out missing numbers, it's really helpful to remember that all the numbers going across from left to right have the same number of 10s. And our other super important thing is when we look down our rows of numbers. So we can see that everything in the row I've just circled has 1 1. They all end in the number 1. In this row, they all have 3 1s. In this row, they all have 7 1s. So when we're looking down, all our numbers have the same number of 1s from the top to the bottom. So these are 2 super important things to remember when we're filling in our grid. So let me just get rid of this to clear some space. Okay, so we need to have a go at filling in our missing numbers. So our first 2 missing numbers are here and here. Now I'm going to invite someone on screen to help me answer these first 2 missing numbers. So you should see a box pop up on your screen if you want to have a go at answering this question for me. If you click on the box, and then I can pick someone to help me.